All right, now that we got the bumper all in position and signed up, looking really good, let's install some headlights. Yeah, I know I gotta clean up in here. This stuff is a mess. This has been just chaotic. Things are all over the place. I gotta clean these off really good. But this is our next install. This is the lights. I love originality. I'm an original guy. I like things just to be how they were when they were made, with the exception of just small little variations. But yeah, we're going back with the stock setup. So let me get started. I got an extremely detailed how-to video on how to do all this. I'm not doing how-to. I don't have storage to store these large videos and do these details. So I was just moving increments as I do steps. So I'm gonna install one headlight first, and I'll be back to show you how it look with the ring around it. These turned out really nice too. Look at that beauty. And we'll go from there. I'll be back in a minute. I want to show, I like these gold terminals. These are nice. Philip. Comes with this protective cover over the terminals. All right, let me install it. All right, we in. Those, how that ring is painted and shining, gives a little something to it. I'm gonna clean it off. Got some dust all in here. I'm gonna clean the bulb off since I touched it with my hand, and hopefully it's adjusted okay. Yeah, we're coming together. Let me clean the, man, I just clean all this stuff off. Let me clean the bezel off and install it. Man, we're coming together, guys. We really are. The midnight edition. Using spray red glass cleaner. That looks nice. Now we're clean. That looks nice. All the dust and residue is out of here. Can't get down in there, but that's okay. All right, let me get the bezel. All right, I think it looks incredible. I think it looks incredible, guys. I'm about to show you all, and I'm gonna show you the fonts I'll be using. I like this chrome. I like that. I didn't want to go black handles, black locks. I'll show you why. I want something to accent the wheels, the original wheels. And so I kept that like that. I'll show you what else I'm gonna keep like that, but look at this. That looks beautiful. Look at that. I paused it here because I want to note the reason I did this as far as the gloss bezels and the rings around the bulbs is to make it a little bit more aggressive in the front, to give it a little bit more aggressive look, as well as the black Cobra. And of course, I was inspired by the Midnight Edition truck that I bought, and I'll show you all that when I get done with the car, what inspired me to do this edition Mustang, but keep it close to 100% original as I can, but with a little variations. And I'll explain all that when I show the truck and what inspired me to make these few changes as far as with the gloss black on some things. Looks incredible. I just need some light, some really good light to show you all how my vision is coming to life. How beautiful it looks. Like it all hit to me. It goes with my theme. However, there's gonna be some variations here. Got that aggressive look. And when I get some sunlight in here, you guys will see how beautiful that bezel is hidden. And that ring, you can't see it now, but that ring that holds the light in place also is what I wanted. It's the entire look I wanted, what I'm going for. So you may think I'll be using black fonts here, and I was initially, but we're not. We're gonna stay with that chrome up top, chrome here, just highlighting forward. We're gonna make sure we highlight the company or the makers of this vehicle, and we'll keep it in chrome. So let me show you all. I got the black and the chrome fronts. I got even another set, and all these are really nice. Just gotta get cleaned up, but we're not gonna use the black. And I'll show you all how to look. But going back with chrome here. So we're there. It'll give us my theme. But no, I'm going back with something to highlight that, as well as the other few things and the wheels. So we'll keep that chrome. We'll keep the logo as it was. They just need cleaning. These are really nice fronts. I'll show you. So we're gonna keep it forward. We're gonna make the forward stand out just like that. Just like that. We're just accenting this functional scoop to kind of some bezels, the light trim, the V8 symbol, but yeah, I'm going back with chrome. I'm gonna keep forward highlighted across here to accent that. You know, my brain is thinking like an artist would think. You know, it may not go, it may be just thinking it's traditional or it's obvious to go with just the black fonts. But no, we're gonna go with the chrome fonts. I'll put them in place. We're gonna highlight forward. All right, we got that in, so stay tuned for the next video. I think we'll be diving into interior. I'll get the windshield installed. And then I gotta polish the wheels. They are in very, very, very good condition, but they kind of need a polish. And we're gonna do that as well, but we're coming together. And I love that. That's my vision. We gotta do some small things too, like we got stuff everywhere. We gotta install some stuff on the hood. I got a new cap on there, but we're gonna use one of these. We gotta install these as well under the hood. And what else? We got some more pieces to install somewhere. Are these for the door? Just a little miscellaneous. So, all right. I hope you guys are enjoying or liking what I'm doing. Hit that like button. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Terrence, and I'm out.